Mabrika! Welcome to a new episode of Let's Talk Taíno. I'm Priscilla Colon, co-founder and creative here at Casa, Areyto, where our mission is to promote the Taíno language and culture. Over the last few weeks, we have been practicing prepositions. Those are words that can tell you where things are located, and you can use them in phrases to make longer and longer sentences in Taíno. Today, we're going to learn two new prepositions, and they are útpa, next to, beside, or besides, and apuxó, behind or after. Now, we've learned apuxó before. However, I thought it would be important to continue practicing it. Like in the past few weeks, we're going to take a look at an image and choose the correct phrase that describes that image. Then we're going to use the prepositional phrase in a full sentence. You are learning so much. This is going to be a fun lesson for you. Now, let's get started. First, take a look at the image. Can you choose the correct description? Is it gualikyo útpa or gualikyo apuxó? I'll give you a hint. A long time ago, you learned that gualikyo means boy. Now, can you guess which prepositional phrase is correct? That's right. The correct phrase is gualikyo útpa, next to the boy. Now, let's use that prepositional phrase in a complete sentence. Say it with me. Gualiche mun gualikyo útpa. The girl is next to the boy. Remember that guali is child, a word that is gender neutral, so you can add kyo for masculine or che for feminine and change it to boy or girl. Now let's do the next example. Let's take a look at the image. Can you choose the correct prepositional phrase? Is it gualikyo útpa or gualikyo apuxó? In this case, you need to know what útpa and apuxó mean in order to know which phrase to choose. That's right. The correct phrase is gualikyo apuxó, behind the boy. Now, let's use that prepositional phrase in a complete sentence. Read it with me. Hibamurulu mun gualikyo apuxó. The animal is behind the boy. Wow, look at that! Another short lesson, but you learned two more prepositional phrases. Now you can talk about things that are next to or behind one another. Now, before we leave, why don't we take a look one more time at everything we learned today? Gualiche, the girl. Gualikyo, the boy. Hibamurulu, the animal. Mun, is or are, used with a location. Gualikyo útpa, next to the boy. Gualikyo apuxó, behind the boy. As always, I appreciate so much that you're coming back here week after week, learning Taíno along with me. I know it can be difficult, but I know together we can bring back Taíno. If you get a chance, check out casarito.com, where you're going to find lots of resources on the Taíno language, including our kids' books that help kids reconnect with Mother Earth and learn about the language and culture of our ancestors, as well as our Taíno language course. It is the first digital course for the Taíno language, and it's currently in development. However, you can sign up completely for free and start learning today. In the meantime, tayo karaya, guaitiao na agu.